Today, we're going to talk about something that's close to my heart and probably yours too, is homeownership for veterans. If you've served our country, first of all, thank you so much. We appreciate your service. This is something that is a volunteer system here in America. So you have volunteered to go serve for our country, and we just want to say thank you. So let's dive into the VA home loan and help you plant some roots by owning your own home. And this is such a big deal. So what's the scoop on VA loans? Well, VA loans are backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, and they come as a pretty sweet perk for veterans and active duty military. So we're talking about no down payment, no private mortgage insurance or PMI, more lenient credit requirements. So all that sounds awesome, right? Well, owning a home isn't just about having a place to crash. It's about stability and freedom and investment. It's also about more than just having a place to hang your hat. It's really where your heart is, where your family is. It allows you to build communities across the nation. Homeownership is extremely important for the foundation of what we have here in America. Plus, it's a way to build wealth over time, and sometimes like a benefit that benefits you and your family for years to come. My experience is, although my dad's not a veteran, he owned a house, and over the years, he also owned a business. And if he ever needed to access equity, he had the house to be able to continue to serve his clients. And it made a big difference in our family, owning a house and having a place to call home, come home to for over 40 years. And I believe veterans really need that stability. One of the best parts, though, is about a VA loan is VA's got your back. So if you run into trouble making payments, the VA can step in and help you out. They offer financial counseling, or they can even negotiate with lenders on your behalf. That's what I call support. It's important to be there along the way. So also, you might have heard that VA loans don't have loan limits. Well, that's mostly true. There are some situations where limits can apply, but don't sweat it. These limits are pretty high, and there's plenty of options when house hunting, so this should not be an issue. Now, when you're ready to make a plunge, you also should be getting your certificate of eligibility, or COE, to show lenders you're eligible for a VA loan. You don't necessarily need to go get this. Most lenders are able to order this for you. It's something that if you're in preparation, you can go and order it on the VA website and order your certificate of eligibility. It's also a good way because you can proactively understand, if there's any issues or concerns, or if, let's say, one of the things that the hot topic right now is veterans are letting people assume their loans. So let's say they have a super low rate. We're recording this in the end of 2023, and rates have gone up. So it could be enticing to try to sell your house and make it enticing for the buyer to assume your loan. Well, the problem with that is it can cause issues with the eligibility for veterans. So we just have to, if you get the certificate of eligibility, it's going to show if there's any extra loans that are still out there that may be lowering the eligibility for VA financing. So it's good to look at the finances also, think about what you can afford. We have some great budgeting tools on our website as well that's really able to help you kind of break down the budget in a simple way. So if that's something we can discuss during the meeting, or you can comment below, and we'll send you over the link for that. And I'll actually add it in the link too here. So remember, buying a home is a big deal. It's one of the most exciting things you can do, but it's also one of the things you want to be prepared for. So if you're a veteran and a VA loan might be your ticket to homeownership, this might be a way to get in. And trust me, owning a house is just like, a lot of people's life goals. It's a cornerstone in the American dream. It's essential for the people that have served our country to also have part of that American dream. So if you have any questions or want to reach out, go to mortgagestrategycall.com, or you can give us a call or text to schedule that call, 480-553-8770. And we appreciate you. Thank you for serving, and we'll catch you on the next video.